Let's find a domain and range of both these graphs. Now you got to remember, domain is in the horizontal direction, or you could think of the domain as the set of all input values to your function. So a good way to remember this is that your domain is going this way, in the horizontal direction. Let's go ahead and read it from here. It starts off bracket -2, and you shade all the way up to 0 with parentheses. Then union what? Union parentheses 4 up to where? Up to 5 bracket. So the domain is the set of all x values that are on your function. So that is the domain of G. Let me write that. The domain of G is this union of intervals. Now how do you do the range? Well, if you turn your head sideways to your left, 90 degrees to your left. Turn your head sideways 90 degrees to your left. So have a crooked neck. And we're going to read the range values. The range values are all the possible y values on your function. So if you look very, very carefully, we don't have -4. So we're going to put parentheses -4. And it goes all the way up to 5. We certainly have 5, but we have more than 5. We actually have all the way up to 1. But can we include 1? And the answer is no. So we put parentheses on 1 as well. So there is your range. Your range of your function g is simply one interval from -4 to 1, but parentheses on both endpoints. Go ahead and try to do the second example, example B. You could pause the video, and then if you need to check your answer, unpause the video to see the revelation. Another hint for you guys is that when you do the range, you're reading from the bottom all the way to the highest possible y value. In this case, for example B, the highest possible y value is actually 0. Also notice in example B, there's a gap between what? -2 and -1. Notice there are no y values in here on your function. So that's why we excluded that. So we continued at -1, and you only went up to the y value of 0. The range is the set of all y values from your function. Or you can think of the range as the set of all y values from your graph.